Hello, today I'm going to tell you about developers versus testers. I'm presenting these differences using various visual aids. Let's get started. This is Jitendra Rana. I am a QA tester working in various IT projects. Look at this, developers versus testers. So developers and testers are professionals. They mostly work on software products and to deliver a software as per their clients needs and the user requirement. Let's get started. So who are the developers and what does a developer do? They are computer engineers. They are software developers. They write code, design, test, and maintenance of software programs, applications, and databases. They oversee the work of computer technologists, programmers, and technicians. We all know there are a lot of softwares, websites, systems, applications in the world. A lot of them we are using it every day, right? Mobile, your computer, websites, some systems, games. So all those things will be built by developers. The other side, so when they build it, there is the other professionals working with them. They are called testers and they are IT QA testers. They test software projects to find out bugs, errors, defects, or any problem that the end user may come across and reports to the project team about any issues or improvements that the product may require. So they make sure the software delivered is bug free, defect free, issue free, and it is as per expectation of end user. Do you find any bugs in your application sometimes? Like page does not open, some error messages, and some UI issues, the page does not load. All those things to be tested by testers before software goes live or software is handed over to the user. Look at here. So even their work is different by profession. Developers and QA, they complement their work each other, and they are working together to get the job done, meaning to deliver the software products. But even if they are in the same team working towards ultimate goal to deliver the software, they have kind of a enemies, or they are opposite to each other because of their day-to-day job. Developers, they're trying to make it, and testers, they are always trying to break it. It is for good reason. Let's go ahead and then see this quick example. Here is the system that is a small red kind of a ball or a cap. Developers build it and they just want to throw it so that it sits over the wall. And another side, the testers, so they are waiting for it when they get that system and then they catch it. But in reality, developers and testers, they work together to put that cap just over the wall. Let's look at another example. Here, the testers and developers are on their day-to-day task. They always have a conflict like this. Developers says they cannot reproduce the issues reported by testers, right? So they always have fight on it. So why it happens? So developers says it's 6, the tester sees it 9, and they have a conflict over it. So how should they fix this? They should work together and then come in compromise and in common agreement and then fix such issues or differences between them. We always say seeing is believing, but feeling is the truth. This was a popular quote by Thomas Fuller. Here, one developer created some product. He asked tester to test it, and they are trying to deliver it to client. Let's see what happens. Oh, so it's something not good, right? So that's where developers and testers they should work together to deliver the products that fits into their client or user expectation. Sometimes the developers and testers they are good on their work. Look at this first picture. People love this, right? It's good. This is user interface. Look at the second picture. So this baby is a user. In his perspective, even though everything looks good, what he sees is not something that he expected. Let's look into this example. The developer thinks this is 4 wooden planks. When QA counts it, it's just 3. They have a conflict here again. The same example again. Developers thinks is 4. The tester counts it 3. You can figure out what's wrong up here. In any software projects, when tester finds a bug, they are happy like this, right? Oh, I found it. On developer's perspective, oh, and at their manager, hey, what the hell you guys are doing? Something like this. In software development life cycle, so when developer thinks is their work is good, they fix the bug and they are ready to go into the production. Look at this example, what happened. Oh, their product is not yet ready to go into production. Though they have some differences and they try to blame each other, but ultimately they are working together. Even they have their own tools, skill sets, mindset, but ultimately they work together and deliver a good quality project for us to use it and get benefited from it. Thank you so much.